Christmas and the holidays mean joy, but chances are you've experienced that heavy silence at midnight under the Christmas tree after a supposedly expensive gift was unwrapped. Why? The fight over a Christmas gift isn't about money, it's a crisis of psychology and love language. If you want to understand what's truly going on in your partner's mind, stick around. When a woman receives a gift, her brain immediately asks one question: did he put in time and thought for me? For her, the gift's value lies in the story behind it. If it's a small thing, but you searched for it for months or made it by hand, it says to her, "I listened to you." She doesn't want financial provision. She wants emotional validation. That's the key. Now let's look at men. How does a man's brain process this? He asks, does this gift solve a problem? Is it useful? He views his gift as a problem-solving tool or a symbol of provision. When he buys a new gadget or an efficient tool, he wants to say, "I added value to your life." He rarely looks for hidden emotional effort. He seeks tangible value and return on investment. So the problem is simple: a misunderstanding of value. To bridge this gap, stop guessing. Use these three simple questions. Question 1. Value check. When someone gives you a great gift, what's more valuable to you? That they spent a lot of money or that they perfectly knew your taste? Question 2. The need. Is there something you constantly talk about or complain about not having? The perfect gift is something they didn't know they needed, not necessarily something they asked for. Question 3. The experience. For Christmas, do you want an object or an experience, like a trip, cooking class, or concert? Learning these differences isn't just about buying a better gift, it's about developing the skill of deeper understanding of your partner. Christmas should be a celebration of connection, not a stressful annual exam. If this psychological breakdown helped you survive the Christmas shopping stress, hit that subscribe button and share this video with someone who always seems to fail at gift giving.